Welcome back to Tumblr tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all, we have to go and change the layout there to blank. So also move on to the design tab. We are going to customize our slides. Alright, so I'm choosing A4 and I'm leaving it a landscape because it's a certificate, and click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to go to the insert tab and insert a shape. Alright, so the shape that I'm going to insert is the right angle triangle. So after clicking on it, just come and draw this way. Click drag to draw. Alright, so this way, so I'm going to remove the outline and I'm going to give it a color of green, dark green. Alright, so let me bring the properties of it. It will appear here. Alright, so let me increase the height a little. Alright, so with this one I'm going to make a copy of it. That's a duplication of it, and I'm simply just rotating this one here and I'm sending this one to this side. Alright, so with this I'm just going to align this one also here. I think this way is not bad. Alright, so from there again I want to go back to the insert tab to insert another rectangle. Alright, so the same shape which is here, so I simply just have to draw it this way. Alright, so with this one also I'm going to remove the outline, and the shape field I'm choosing this color. Alright, so with this one I'm also going to gently align it here. You can decide to increase the size or reduce it. Alright, so I'm leaving it this way. So let's go back to the insert tab again. We are going to now insert the isosceles triangle, which is right here. So just click on it, drag to draw it. So remove the outline. That's the line that goes across it. So give it no outline. So the color of it, I'll choose this color right here. So again, I'll go back there again and I'm going to more color fill. So from there, I'm just going to click on this one to drag it around. So when I'm dragging it around, I'll be monitoring here, this color here, the new here, to choose the color that I would like to use. Alright, so I'll go with this one. So click on OK. So then just reduce the size a little, so I can decide to increase the height also. Alright, so let me rotate it gently like this. Alright, so I can gently decide to place it here, right here. So let me take this one, increase the height also a little. Alright, so I'm making a copy of this one. So I'm just going to press and hold the control key and drag to duplicate. Alright, so let me gently send this one also right here. Alright, so let me increase the size here. Alright, so something like this, and also this one, let me increase it a little. Alright, so let me rotate this one here. So with this one also, I'm just going to move it top a little. I think this way is perfect. Alright, so this one also, let's duplicate it to the top there. So right here, I'm just duplicating it there. So let me rotate it this way and gently place it there. So I'm taking this one also and I'm bringing it right here. So I'm rotating that one also. Alright, so with this one I'm just going to change the color of it to this color, and I'm bringing it forward. So I'm going to take this one also, that's a small one. So I'm sending it to that side, and that one now I'm going to change the color to the dark green. So gently rotate it and place it at the right corner. I think this way is okay. Alright, so again, go and take the isosceles triangle, make a copy of it also. So you are sending it to this side. So I'm taking the other one also, which is right here. So I'm bringing it here. Alright, so I think this way is okay for our design. So the next thing again I would like us to do is to go back to the insert tab Now we are going to insert a frame, half frame, so which is right here. We call it half frame. So click on it, drag to draw your half frame. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. Remove the outline first. So you see the pointer here, the yellow pointer. If you click on it and drag, you can easily reduce the size there. So let me close this one in. So with this one also, I'm just going to reduce the size. Let me increase it here. Alright, so the color of it, or the shape, the feel of it, I don't want there to be a feel, the shape feel. So I'm just removing it, and I'm going back to the outline, and I'm giving it a solid outline. So the size of it, I'm choosing 5, and the color of it, I'm choosing the dark green. Alright, so let me reduce here also a little again. Reduce here also a little. So I'm not done there again. There's one thing I would like us to do. You can see this one. I want here to be diagonal with this shape. This shape here, the half frame, I want to be diagonal with the right angle triangle. So I just have to click on the edit shape and go with the edit points. So I'll click on this small pointer there and hold. So as I click and hold, I'll drag this way. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So I'll leave it this way. So I'll come here also and click on this one. Click and hold. Drag to this side. I think this way is also not bad. So if you click on it this way, you can now make a copy of it here. So gently rotate it. Alright, so when I rotate it this way, I'll now gently place it here. Alright, so from here I can reduce the size here, the height of it a little. So I think this way is not bad for us. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to now do is now go and insert a couple of text boxes here. Alright, so the first text box that I'm going to insert, I can easily find it at the insert tab. So I have the text box here, just click on it. Click on the screen to be inserted. Alright, so you can now place your text in there. And the text that I'm to place in there will be certificate. So which is this way. So select it by using Ctrl E. So click on Align Center. So the font of it, we are choosing the Algerian, and the size will go with 48. So the color also, let's go with the dark green. Alright, so this way is not bad. So let me gently align it to the center. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So again, let's make a copy of it here. So I'm changing this one to of appreciation. So by selecting this one also, I'm going to change the font of it to area rounded, and the size will be 20. You can make it 18 if you want. The color, I'm changing it to black. So I'll gently align it here at the center there. So make another copy here also. So this one, we are changing the text to this certificate is presented to. So select this one also. We are going to change the font of it to semi-bold, which is right here, and the size, you can make it 18. Alright, so gently place it that one also at the center there. So make a copy of this one also here. I'm letting us making a copy because if you are just going to be going back to the setup to insert a more text boxes, it will waste our time and it will also delay our work. So to make our work faster, that's why I'm just making a copy, a duplication, so we can run on faster. So this one, I'm going with the name, surname. Alright, so changing the font of it, you can go with the Edwardian script, and the size, you can go with 60 or 66. Make it bold, and the color, choose the green. Alright, so take this one also, make a copy here. So this one has to be the description of the certificate. but for the sake of this video I don't have one, so I'm just going to randomly generate one here. I'm just going to generate one paragraph with maybe possibly 3 lines like this, so it will be in my description. But if you have one, you can gently place it there. Alright, so aligning it here. So go back to the insert tab. You are going to insert a straight line in between the name and the description. So like this, I mean. Alright, so the size you are giving it 2, and the color, choose black. Alright, so the color of the line, you can choose green or black, but for the sake of this video I'm choosing black. Alright, so this one also, let's just make another copy of this one here, and we are going to change the text to date. So select it and reduce the size. You can give it 16. So gently reduce the size and place it here. Alright, so making another copy here, and with this one it's going to be signature. Alright, so take the line again, make a copy here. So when you make a copy there, let's now reduce the size of it to 1. Alright, so also reduce the size here. So make a copy here. Alright, so I think this way is not bad for us. Okay, so now I want us to go to the insert tab. This time around we are not going to insert a shape, but rather a medal. So we are going to insert a medal in between the date and the signature. So I have it right here on my device. So click on insert. Alright, so I can gently reduce the size here and place it here. Alright, so as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.